all the others.
Asante sana. Na bila shaka kwa sababu umeelezea mahali ambapo stima inaanzia hadi mahali ambapo inamfikia mteja, ningependa labda Engineer Rosemary, kwa sababu wewe unasimamia masuala ya mauzo, unaweza kutueleza kwanza kabisa, nikiwa nahitaji stima kwangu, ninahitaji nini, itachukua muda gani kuweza kunifikia, na kuna fedha fulani ambazo ninastahili kulipa?
Thank you very much for this opportunity. Yes, electricity connection has a process, and we have various processes available to the end user for the connection. There is electricity that is supplied through government funding, and there is electricity that is supplied through individual funding. The government has initiatives that extend supply to neighborhoods and last mile initiatives that connects households and small businesses. However, where the government initiative has not reached and the consumer would wish to get electricity supply, then we have a process. You make an application. We have application forms available to the end user at no cost to the end user. I will repeat that for emphasis sake. The application is done at no cost. You would get an application form from our nearest office, fill it up. We have attachments that you would give us. One is a confirmation of either ownership or confirmed tenancy of the property. Secondly, you'd give us your identification, which would help us identify you uniquely as a Kenyan. That would be your ID and your PIN, so that we are able to identify you as a Kenyan. And thirdly, you'd direct us to the location where you'd wish to have the supply. But we currently have also enhanced that process. You're able to go to our website, go to the electricity application section, and make the application online. Before you make that application, we guide that have soft copies of those documentation that are required. A soft copy of your ID card, a soft copy of your PIN, a soft copy of your confirmation of ownership or tenancy or lease of the property, and then the details of the location of the property. At that point, if you do it online, then you give us a PIN location of the property. Once that is received by us, we would have it processed into our systems, and you're given a unique reference number. That reference number comes to you, to your phone on SMS, and you're able to also access it via